Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be showing you guys my airsoft gear. I'm gonna go through all of it and I'm gonna tell you the price and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first thing here, I have these boots. They are, as you can see, quite heavy and they are originally from Russia and they cost me like 30 euros or something like that, and yeah, they're pretty good. Okay, so moving on, I have here a standard ACU, nothing special about this. Only thing that I added is this patch. It's an airborne. I don't know, I liked it so I bought it. And I bought it with these pants too. They are pretty similar. It's a BDU style. Next thing, I have here my helmet. It's a pretty normal helmet. I bought it from Russia. It's been used, and I put a helmet cover on top of it. And this is this camo is used by Slovak army and it's original too. So, and the only thing I don't like about this helmet is that it's pretty heavy. It's out of steel, as you can hear. But it's okay. Okay, next on the list, these are my glasses. They're like 12 euros, pretty cheap, but they are pretty high quality. I've tested them by shooting them with my guns, and they survived, as you can see. Then this is my face mask, pretty normal. Yeah, it was like 5 euros or something, pretty cheap, and I've tested this too. Okay, then I have a pistol holster. It's a MFH brand. It's pretty nice. Only thing I don't like about it is this thing, which I'm gonna show you in a minute why I don't like it. Okay, let's move on to my pistol. So my secondary pistol is this CZ75 Shadow. It's a pretty nice gun. It's a CO2 non-blowback pistol. Yeah, it's pretty standard and it fits really nice in this holster like this. And the thing I don't like about this is that it gets stuck right here and you can't, pull it out. That's the only thing I don't like about this holster. And this pistol, it was like 70 euros or something like that. It's a good gun. I've had no problems with it yet. Okay guys, this is my battle belt. It has 5 pouches, as you can see, and I have 2 AK pouches, and I carry 2 magazines, and I have 1 in my gun. And when I'm going on a long mission or something like that, I carry binoculars. These are like cheap, or not cheap, but like pretty standard. Yeah. Then I always carry my Allen keys. They are really helpful. when you have to like unscrew your stock or something else. Yeah, it really helps. I really recommend it. Then I have my drop pouch or something. I don't know how it is called, and I usually carry like magazines in there, or when I'm reloading I throw one in there. Then I have my other pouch, and I usually carry some BBs in there, or a spare battery for my gun. And yeah, it's really nice, I like it. And this is my primary gun. It is a AK-47 tactical. I had it now for like 3 or 4 years, something like that. And it has a foldable stock, as you can see, and it's really easy to unfold and fold. Of course, there's a hop up right there, and I have a grip which you can fold too. It can be folded like this by this button, and you can use it like that. And I'm planning on buying a new gun. It's gonna be a AK-105. I'm gonna leave a picture right now. If you guys want, I can make a full review on that or this gun. Leave it in the comment section what you guys think I should do first. Okay, yeah, this is it. This is everything I have for Airsoft. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, subscribe, leave a comment and like the video. Bye.